The legendary playback singer and Nightingale of India, Lata Mangeshkar, who has fans from every generation, has turned 85 today. The playback singer has also recorded a song on a tune composed by late composing maestro Salil Da after 19 years. Together they changed the destiny of Bengali popular songs. The Bengali songs of Lata Mangeshkar, composed by Salil Chaudhary, changed the entire profile and the personality of the popular film songs in Bengal. Once again, Lataji has geared up to sing for Salil Da's music in her evergreen, melodious and soulful voice. Throughout her career, which spanned around 7 decades, Lata Mangeshkar has bestowed her voice upon thousands of songs. She is known for her contribution to the Indian music industry and her penchant for evergreen songs. The most popular playback singer in Bollywood's history started her career at a mere age of 13 with the song Mata Ek Sapoot Ki Duniya for the Marathi film Gaja Bhau, and the rest is history. The sisters Asha Bhosle and Lata Mangeshkar have both enchanted the music industry with some very notable contribution. She has been credited with awards and accolades, namely Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Maharashtra Bhushan Award and many more. Lata Mangeshkar's duets with Manna Dey and Mohammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar and Mukesh are the most cherished ones. Her most notable songs were composed by Lakshmikant Pyarelal and R.D. Burman.
Powered by NNIS.